What's going on, traders? In this video, I'm going to actually review the top 5 Forex brokers in today's time. It is 2026, things change and move around, but I'm going to actually review some of the top Forex brokers. That way you can actually make a decision. So let's get straight into it. Number 1 is GatesFX. The reason why I love GatesFX is because they have good leverage, they have good spreads, and they also have a deposit where you can use your credit card or debit card. So there's not a lot of brokers who actually offer that. And this is the main reason why I like GatesFX. The other reason is because they have a 2-hour withdrawal window. So if you make a withdrawal, you're gonna see your money deposited into your crypto wallet within 2 hours. So this is the website. If you go to GatesFX.com, you can see, you can toggle between Tradelocker or MetaTrader 5. I personally use Tradelocker. So, if you guys aren't familiar with Tradelocker, it's a newer platform. I have a Tradelocker tutorial. I'll put that in the description below. But the other beautiful thing about Gates is they actually have a 100 deposit bonus. So if you deposit, let's say $500, they're going to match that with another 500, making your capital, your equity, $1,000. So if you deposit, let's say $5,000, you're gonna have $10,000 worth of trading capital. This is unlimited too. So, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but every time I make a deposit into my broker account, right? Like they always match it. So if you're trying to leverage up and you're trying to get access to more capital, GatesFX has a really good promotion going on right now. The other thing that I wanted to highlight is the human customer support. So a lot of brokers, they have some sort of chat bot or whatever, and it's not really like a custom feedback or a custom message. It's just kind of like fill in the blanks, super generic. You do have to email them and submit something, but once you submit it, they're gonna get back to you within 5 to 10 minutes and actually answer your specific questions. So let's go to GatesFX reviews, right? I'm on Trustpilot, and you're gonna see that they're hovering around 4.1 out of 5 stars. That's actually really good. And then you're gonna see basically an average of what people are talking about the most. The number 1 thing is customer service. User describes positive interactions with customer service. Customer frequent highlight the speed. And then the second is the response time. And then again, service. Reviewers mention ambiguous feedback about payment. And then staff, clients share positive opinions on staff consistently praising their professionalism, yada, yada, yada. So again, there's just multiple reasons why GatesFX is number 1 for me, in my opinion. You get unlimited deposit bonus, you get up to 1,000 leverage, 2-hour guarantee on your withdrawals when you make money in the markets, and they integrate with MetaTrader and Tradelocker. The next broker is going to be HeroFX, and HeroFX, they are newer. They also have really good customer service. I don't personally use HeroFX, but I do have some trader buddies that use HeroFX. And very similar, they're hovering around 3.9 out of 5. You're gonna see reviews like, okay, this should be interesting. I have been trading on Hero Demo for about 6 to 9 months. I'm about to go with real money and see how they act. Not a large sum being that I don't know, so I guess he's a little guarded. This guy, I started a week ago until now. I started like a week ago. I have no problems. Payouts daily coming in. Support is amazing and fast. I really don't understand the bad reviews. Like nothing looks sketchy or scammy, right? They also have some sort of program where it's called the Hero 10X. And so basically you get like 10X the amount of trading capital, but your leverage goes significantly down. So I think it's kind of, in my opinion, kind of like verbiage to make it seem like you're getting access to a lot of capital. But the whole point of trading Forex, right? The whole point of, being able to take advantage of that is to leverage up and make a good amount of money with a small amount of capital. So yeah, I don't really know too much about the program. If anybody actually knows, let me know in the comments below. But overall, very similar. Good customer service. You can, you know, trade. They have some sort of program called the Hero 10X. So yeah, let's keep it moving. Hanko Trade, you're gonna see, you know, they do have kind of like a chat thing over here. I personally would rate Hanko like 3 out of 5 because they don't integrate with Tradelocker, but they do have really, really good reviews. So let's go to Hanko Trade. You're gonna see they're hovering around 4.8 out of 5, which is amazing. But the only downfall, right, or I guess like the negative is their trading platform, right? So their trading platform is called Hanko X. It's very clunky. There's a ton of influencers that are trading Hanko, and I think, like, to be honest, I think it's just very biased because a lot of trading influencers are pushing it because the experience isn't really the best, in my opinion. So yeah, so there's that. And then the last one is 8cap. So 8cap, they've been around for a very long time. They're also hovering around 4.1, very similar to GatesFX, but they have around 3,500 reviews, right? So they've been in the game longer. They don't have a ton of like promos and deposit bonuses and things like that, but they do integrate with Tradelocker, so they're pretty legit. But my number one, I've been rocking with GatesFX for a minute now. I always get my withdrawals on time. You know, that 100% deposit bonus is lit, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a great way to get more capital and take advantage of that leverage at the same time. So that's all I got, guys. I just wanted to keep this short, brief, no music in the background, no edits. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the top 5. I think that was 4, honestly. So sorry about that, top 4. And hopefully this gives you a little bit of insight on your decision-making process. Yeah, these are good brokers.